Renewable energy firms are mostly suffering a dire earnings season as struggling supply chains, manufacturing faults and rising production costs eat into profits. With the world trying to transition at pace toward cleaner energy, equipment manufacturers are struggling to keep up with soaring global demand, leading to rising production costs and questions over the economic sustainability of large-scale projects from the industry's major players. Manufacturing faults, most notably at Siemens Energy's wind turbine subsidiary Siemens Gamesa, have emerged as companies race to build turbines at a greater pace and scale. The problems at Gamesa led Siemens Energy to scrap its profit forecast earlier this year, and last month the company sought guarantees of up to €15 billion ($16 billion) from the German government. Specialist wind energy firms are also often finding themselves outbid for seabed licenses by traditional oil and gas players. Should they win a contract, electricity prices are often too low to justify the manufacturing costs, leaving companies looking to their governments in Europe and the US to deliver greater subsidies and restore balance to the market. As a result, most wind energy stocks are down sharply since the turn of the year. In a report published last week, Allianz Research noted that the 8 largest renewable energy firms in the world reported a combined total $3 billion decrease in assets in the first half of the year, with wind projects in particular facing turbulent conditions. The firm's economists said the past earnings season was a learning moment for the industry. The whole sector is grappling with rising construction and financing costs, quality control problems and supply chain issues. Inflation and global energy price fluctuations have also led to increased costs for wind power projects, casting doubt over the feasibility of many ventures, Allianz Research economists said. Some projects in the US but also in the UK are at risk of being abandoned if governments do not offer support. As these projects were initiated before the energy crisis, with guaranteed feed-in tariffs that were low, they are now becoming more and more unprofitable. Although balance sheets remain solid, renewables companies have been writing down assets and cutting their earnings outlooks. Danish company Ørsted announced last week that it was scrapping the development of 2 offshore projects in the US, with related impairments totaling $5.6 billion. However, compatriot Vestas offered a ray of hope. The company posted a third-quarter EBIT, earnings before interest and tax, before special items of €70 million, $74.73 million, well above the €31 million projected in a company-compiled consensus. However, it also warned that external factors clouded its near-term outlook, pulling back its full-year investment and margin guidance.